Good morning, happy Friday. We had some strong storms roll through the metro last evening. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Here's a current look at satellite this morning from the high-def GOES East satellite that was launched by NOAA a couple years ago. Beautiful imagery. Just as the sun came up this morning, we have a very strong cold front draped across parts of Wisconsin and Illinois. That's what came through the metro last night, and that has changed our weather significantly and will continue to do so as we head through the day today and into the weekend. So here's your current surface weather map. There's that cold front that moved through last night. High pressure will start to dominate for the Twin Cities as we go into tomorrow. Mostly cloudy this morning. It's very blustery out there as that cold front continues to roll through. But we will see some sun as we go later into the day today. So that same weather system that brought us the strong storms last night will bring some strong storms to parts of the Ohio River Valley up into the northeast today. We had reports of some very strong straight line winds that rolled through the metro right around dinner time last night, up to 70 miles per hour. And we also had 6 tornadoes reported in southern Minnesota. Weak tornadoes at that, but very interesting weather for late September. So here's your weather headlines. Again, that severe weather last night, much cooler weekend in store for us as we head into the weekend. And tomorrow is the autumnal equinox, with Sunday being the first full day of autumn in the northern hemisphere. Here's our almanac. We topped out at 68 degrees yesterday. Sunset 7:25 p.m. and your average high is 70 degrees. We will be below that today and tomorrow, and then again next week. So here's that big change in temperatures that we've been seeing and will continue to see next week. Cooler conditions. We have a trough in the jet stream here, and that will allow much cooler air from Canada to make its way down into the United States, the Midwest, this weekend and into next week. Current temperatures across the Midwest this morning. It's 51 in the Twin Cities. Obviously, you can see that cold front there. Still 76 in Chicago. They will see the dropping temperatures today, and up north, northern Minnesota, Dakotas, into Canada, temperatures in the 40s. We zoom in on Minnesota again, 51 in the Twin Cities, 41 Bemidji this morning, and 50 in Duluth. Also very windy, blustery conditions, winds out of the northwest. That will continue through the day today. Winds gusting up to around 30 miles per hour. That really gives a bite out there. It feels very crisp, like fall weather. So your forecast for today, 57 degrees, overcast this morning, a few bouts of sun this afternoon, and again, that very blustery conditions as we go through the day. The autumnal equinox tomorrow at 8:54 p.m. in the Twin Cities, September 22nd. That is when the equator, the plane of the equator, is perfectly aligned with the sun. We see exactly 12 hours of daylight on both the northern and southern hemispheres. And then Sunday, the first day of fall in the northern hemisphere. So today, again, 57 degrees, a few bits of sun later this afternoon. Tomorrow, warmer, 64. Again, the equinox at 8:54 p.m. A little bit warmer Sunday, even more. Beautiful September day, a little bit above average. That is the warmest day in the next 7 days, Sunday and Monday. Scattered T-storms late Monday, and it cools down even more next week with temperatures expected to be in the low 60s and even upper 50s. Have a great weekend.